She like that? Dancing.
So if you are African or American and you don't know how to strap a baby, in Kinyarwanda we call it guheka. So that's what I'm gonna teach him today. Hello my people, welcome back into my Fit with Florence YouTube channel. It's your girl Florence and my man Michael.
What does this video have to do with fitness?
Well, this YouTube channel is just not about fitness. It's about our relationship, our family, like journey and all this.
But being fit in life, being fit applies to every part of life.
Right. Yeah.
And it rubs off on everything that we do. So
Yeah.
I understand why you're showing everything else, because it's a better life when you're fit, when both partners are fit and you're committed to it. So
Yeah.
I understand, but I do think you should put some more fitness videos.
I will. Yeah. And so guys, today's about
Baby.
well, baby video. It's just about us and the baby.
Okay.
Is that about the baby or about us? About all of us.
All of us.
About all of us. Mwah.
Yeah, all right.
Do the thing you be shaking her then.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah.
show her fat cheeks.
Yeah.
Huh?
She's not fat.
Huh? You can see those fat cheeks.
Baby, she's not fat.
Mama thinks you're not fat.
She's not fat,
I
baby.
think you're obese with them fat cheeks.
Oh, look at that. So guys, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share.
Okay, let's go. Do the thing.
So guys, you know, most of y'all guys know I'm from Rwanda and he's American, and we all have a different culture in everything. So in
Did you
this
get that
video,
You sure you got that right?
go.
Sure you didn't say I'm from Rwanda and you're American?
I said I'm from Rwanda, you from American.
Okay.
So in this video, I'm gonna show you something here that's African things. That's how we do it in Rwanda, and we went to church because our church is mostly white people.
That's what happens over here in America.
So our church is mostly white people, and the first time I had my baby strap on my back, everyone was staring at me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, what is different? I mean, like, don't get me wrong, it was not in a bad way because they never seen such a thing like that. So, and in this video, I'm going to teach my husband how to do it. I'm going to teach him how to strap a baby on a back, like an African way. And also, if you're American and you don't know how to do it, you can learn from this video and you can do it because it's very safe.
It's very helpful. She actually, it's one of the only places where she doesn't complain.
Yeah.
So you're going to use this as a teaching video?
Yes.
To teach other people how to do it?
Yes, including you.
She's going to be strapped on my back. Like, you can teach other people.
Yeah. So if you are African or American and you don't know how to strap a baby, in Kinyarwanda we call it guheka. So that's what I'm going to teach him today. So I'm going to show him step by step, and you guys can learn from this too. So let's start it. So we have these things.
What do you call this thing? Just a blanket?
I don't know what ikigoma. It called ikigoma in Kinyarwanda. I don't know what it called in English.
It's a blanket.
You should tell me what. This is not a blanket. What is this in English?
It's a blanket.
It's not a blanket.
It's a piece of cloth cut in a rectangle.
I know what it called in Kinyarwanda is ikigoma, but I don't know what it called in English.
Blanket.
So it's not a blanket, babe.
Oh, really? What is this over here? What is this?
That's a blanket. This is
Oh yeah, that's a blanket.
This is a blanket.
But
This is not.
That's not a blanket?
No, this is
exactly the same thing.
No, babe.
This would work too.
This would not work. That would not work.
Let's do this.
So you see, this is too big, so you're gonna do it like this. You like this, and hold this, babe.
Can they see that?
Yeah, they can.
All right, so you fold it in half.
You fold it in half. This is how big it is. And you're gonna fold it because we wanna make this big because it's gonna be a pillow. Or you can put something inside to make it bigger so the baby can be
You're not
safe.
showing that very well, so you have to roll down the top.
You have to roll it down the top. Yeah, and you're gonna put it down. See, babe?
So you roll down the top.
Yes.
All right.
And guys, this is very good for you baby and also for you because the baby gonna feel safe and you'll be able to get a lot of things done. Okay, babe, hold this. Come here, my love. Yeah. Okay, babe. So, you're gonna put on your back?
Okay. Put it on my back. Should I put this on first?
No.
Put the baby up there first?
Yes. Okay, we're gonna put the baby arms here in your armpit.
Okay, I feel like she's gonna fall. Is that it?
Okay, wait, and you can make sure you put it here all the way on the baby, like here. And you're gonna put up. Just gonna put the baby up.
What do you mean put it? I can't. Okay, we'll put her up.
And now you're gonna get up.
You got her?
Yeah.
That works? God, that's crazy.
Let's just take this off.
Okay, move it up. You probably can hear what I'm saying.
Okay. I'll just put my... Make sure you're holding the baby so she don't... And
You squeeze her like that.
and then you're gonna pull her legs inside of this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Okay.
And then now,
She's not crying.
yeah, so you're gonna put this one, hold the baby so she don't fall. You're gonna put this one like this. And you're gonna pull like this.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
You're gonna do something right here.
This doesn't feel like it would work very well.
Huh? You're gonna pull like this.
No, what?
Like this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this.
What, and tie it in a
And
knot?
yes. No. You're gonna hold this one. You're gonna put this one tight. Like this. And you're gonna put this one inside.
Inside what?
Inside here. Like this.
I don't know how that's working, but
Okay, how you feel?
I'm having a hard time trusting it. She's on there?
Yeah, she
Is
is.
she looking at the camera?
Yeah.
I know she likes it when she's on your back.
Do that again.
What?
What?
Bouncing? But I don't have a big butt like you to hold her up.
Yeah, you don't need a big butt. Yeah, like
She
this.
sits on top of your butt.
This is good. She likes it. She's laughing.
Is she happy?
Look at the hair, baby. Wait. How you feel, baby? Yeah, she's happy. She's laughing.
She like that?
Uh-huh.
Dancing?
Good job, babe.
Okay.
Is it
No.
Well, you have to make this one feel like
I don't have titties. Your titties.
you don't need titties.
Titties fill it up.
You don't need titties, babe.
You be tucking it in there.
You don't need titties. Hold on. Then it's gonna be like this. Wait. Hold on. This. Let me see. Like this, and this.
This is called a blanket.
It's not a blanket, babe. Guys, what is this in English? People from Rwanda, this is ikigoma. What is it called in English?
Blanket.
It's not a blanket. gonna put here. Gonna push inside.
Okay, what about that one?
This one gonna put inside too.
That's all it takes. Now, now you got your hands.
And now you can do everything. You can use your computer. You can just do anything you want to do. Because when I do it the first time, when he see me the first time, was just surprised. When he saw me like that the first time.
I think I'd seen it before.
Where did you see it?
Like, Africa's been around a long time.
No, but where did you see this? On the TV?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably on TV, not in person.
I was the first one to see in person.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you was shocked. It was like.
I don't know how shocked I was. She was comfortable. That's what got me. She was actually, because she complains all day long. This baby cries. Except when you put her back there, she stops crying.
Yeah. I can look at there and see. Look at there, baby. Are you happy?
Okay.
Are you happy?
The demo over.
Go.
What?
I'm gonna put her on my back.
Well, grab her, because she don't fall. Got her?
Yes. Okay. So just in case.
It's much better when you do it. Hi, pretty thing. Hi, pretty thing. She's so pretty. So show them how fast you can do it and how well it works.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
So go do it.
Make her laugh first.
Huh? What? Mama says smile on demand.
Yeah.
Smile on demand.
Okay, so guys, here's how you can do it when you don't have any support. If you're just by yourself, you don't have anyone to help you, this is how to do it. So here's the baby. Just gonna take her like this. Like this. And yeah, don't help me there. You got this.
Scary looking.
Scary looking, why? Just like this. And just like that. You see, one I was just like putting it inside here. Because the other one is already here. You don't need another one. Just one.
Okay.
And this one.
It went a lot better on you than it did on me.
I mean, it was your first time. Actually, you did good. For the first time. Ta-da! What?
And she loves it.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Alright.
Good job. That's how you're gonna do it.
Now. Here you go.
Good job. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're done.
More baby tips with If Say Fit with
here.
Florence.
What?
I like your move every time you do the Fit with Florence thing. You gotta do it all the time. Remember, you gotta do it like that.
You can do anything like this. You can even work out. You can do some squats, like, see it right here? You are.
I'm hot.
Why you hot? So yeah, and more videos, if you need to, we're gonna do more videos about different things. Comment below, what would you like to see next? And if you want to see more video of us, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Done. Bye bye. We love you guys.